Hey yo, what's good on YouTube? It's the one and only MAKP to the world. You know, that's right, Smart P to the world. So today I'm doing my first unboxing. My first ever boxing. So I just got my order from Takealot and we're about to find out what's inside, okay? Okay. Okay. No offense. Okay, this is what we have. Like, I did this video making kit. Actually, the time of fun on the past. I'm gonna enjoy the position. I'm gonna enjoy. Okay. Wow. Oh. So this is tripod, controller remote and this is a mic, shotgun mic. We'll need it. Fuck. Okay. So with board, LED lights. Lighting as a content creator, you need this stuff. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, catch you on the other side.